of misread the situation about like how fancy it was. It's not, and
You thought this was a pantsuit bar? Is that a thing?
Okay, I feel very judged right now. You don't get out much, so maybe pantsuit bars are a thing.
Oh! Make fun of me because I'm caged?
No.
I could shit on you if I wanted to.
I apologize. That was me. I am feeling very uncomfortable, and sometimes when I feel uncomfortable, I just lash out at people. And
I shit on people.